Rachna Singh, here as a principal of Tiladhari Memorial College, and today I am going to introduce you about this school. This school is situated at 7 km Banriya Bagh, Rajepur, Jodhpur, and this is our school building is connected with the state highway Ajamgarh, Jaunpur, and this is near connected to the link road near 300-meter only. The entrance gate, we have displayed through the banners about the COVID-19 precautions. Our school is affiliated up to 10th. We have displayed in whole area with the different slogans and all. We have displayed at "Tab tak dawai nahi, tab tak dhilai nahi." Here we have a guard room on the left hand side. Due to COVID, this is not present over here, and we have a table, visitors register and all. All the entries are done over here. On the right hand side of this is our green area. All kinds of trees are present over here. Academic school building, and our total land area is more than 3 acres for this school we have used. We are moving to the here we have given the stand for the vehicles of the parents. The atmosphere, the greenery of this school is very well executed for the health of the students and all. This way, sir, look, we have a very big swing for the students also, and we have maintained a fountain for the students. This all gives a very good look and atmosphere, good atmosphere for the students. Behind this, we have the kids park. This is especially for the child. They will come with the teachers and they have the swings, different kinds of swings we are displayed here. They use here. We have seesaw, jumping, and also these are used by the students. Give a look to our boundary wall. We have covered this total building area with 8 feet, more than 8 feet boundary wall. Main purpose is for the security of the students and all. This is one more gate, and this is emergency gate. If there is any kind of emergency, we use this gate. We have covered the total area, school area, with the boundary, and the boundary is more than 8 feet. Area, this is more than 6. We are in our playground section. This playground section is for the students. This is more than 6,000 square feet. And we are able to see from here that all sides we have covered this school with the boundary of more than 8 feet. Children used to come here and play basketball, volleyball, different types of games they used to play over here. Now we will move to our reception area. Reception area. This is our reception area, and in the reception area, first we have our fees counter. Here the students, guardians, they will come and deposit their fees, and other inquiries they can shout out here. We have displayed through the boards the importance of the using masks and all in the COVID-19 situation. This is for the parents or the guardians who will come and sit here, and this is our counselor table. If anybody wants to meet, he or she will come and get information about our school. Now, we are proceeding to our, this is our gate, one more gate, and the students, and we used to get inside to the classes and to the principal office. This is principal office. I used to sit over here, and all the classrooms, all the classrooms are connected with the CCTV cameras. Here is a display, monitor. All the classrooms activity I can see over here. We have also given the speakers in every classroom, and I use microphone and mic if I want to address students or teachers. Now next, this is principal's meeting room and restroom also. We have washroom. We have one washroom over here. We have one washroom over here. And then one kitchen. This is south veranda. It is connected to our library. This is our library, and its area is more than 1,200 square feet. All the books are kept over here. They are numbered. They are registered. Their entries are registered. Students will come and read on the use the tables, and they will read the books, magazines. Register. All the books are entries in this. Then we have the issue register, book issue register for the students as well as for the staff also. This register displays the detail of the books issued to the staff. In this library, we have also access with the smart class. This smart class is powered by TeachNext. We used to display to the students different types of stories and all related to the knowledgeable things. You can see all the books are recorded over here. We have numbered all the books. This is the sitting place for the students. They will come and read books over here, magazines, newspapers. This is our biology lab. This is our biology lab. The area of biology lab is more than 600 square feet, and all the important equipment are displayed over here. We have the microscope, compound microscope. This is dissection microscope used for dissection rocks. Students have done this practical. There are the charts made by the student displays. You can see these are made by the students. Life cycle of silkworm, amoeba. This is figure of amoeba. We have displayed the human skeleton for the students. Notice boards are always also displayed, and during COVID we have displayed with the COVID-19. All the measures are written over here, displayed over here. This is again the next view of the fee counter. Now, this is our maths lab. And the area of the maths lab is more than 500 square feet. All the important structures that are used displayed in the maths lab are over here, kept over here. We have displayed the different chart papers on the walls. So, rational number, mensuration, profit and loss, handles, pair of handles, all is displayed through the charts. This is very helpful for the students. They can here come and understand physically. Now, we'll move to the next one. This is art and activity classroom. Here, our drawing teacher helps to the students to make art and craft things. This area of this classroom is also having more than 500 square feet. Students will come and will display how to make, how to use scissors and all. They all come and sit and make chart papers in this activity room. Now we are in our chemistry lab. The area of our chemistry lab is more than 600 square feet. All the required instruments are kept over here. We have running water and also we use platform. There, students have displayed the different chart papers over here showing periodic motion indices. They have provided all the important items needed for the lab. These are the models displayed. We have displayed chart papers also over here. In the store box, we have all the chemicals, reagents kept over here. This almirah is for storing all the acids and all necessary. We are giving running water also here. We can use this water for the chemicals. The boys' toilet. We have 7 drinking taps for the boys. They will come and have their water from here. RO is inbuilt over here. Then we will inside the tap. This is our wash machines for the hand wash. Urinals. These are the urinals. 5 urinal points for the boys. We have the 5 numbers of washrooms for the boys. Now we will move in our dance room. This dance room area is again more than 500 square feet and all the necessary arrangements for the dance. Over here we have this harmonium, tabla, and this is the mirror for the students. They will copy their teacher steps done by the dance teacher. Physics lab. Now we will enter in our physics lab. The area of our physics lab is more than 600 square feet. We have all the instruments necessary for the students of the class 9, 10, 11, 12. We have prism, magnets, resistance and all, everything which is needed by the students we have listed over here. We are moving towards first floor of our school. This is our fire extinguisher system complete for the safety purpose of the school building, school premises and the students also. We are moving towards our first floor of the school campus. Here all the classes from 1 to 10 will run in this area. This is our first class. All the sitting arrangement, blackboards are over here. The classroom size is more than 500 square feet. There are two doors, one is for entrance and another is for exit. Proper ventilation we have, proper sunlight for the students. Now, through veranda, we are moving to our next class, that is class 2. Again, full furnished class. Class area is similar, more than 500 square feet. There are two windows, proper sunlight, proper ventilation for the proper, and this is the again our exit gate for the students. This is our third class. The class 3 students will sit over here. This is teacher table and chair. This is green board. And again, all the rooms, classrooms are fully proper ventilated, proper sunlight. We have two doors. We have displayed here. I will make any announcement. Students and teachers can. This is the cupboard. This cupboard is used by the class teachers of the classes. They kept all the important things in this. We have camera, as I have told in every classroom. We have camera, and this is displayed in the principal's office. We can see, we can monitor each and every activities of the students as well as teacher. Now we are moving in class 4. This is our class 4. This is sitting arrangement for the students. Here we have again the cupboard for the teacher. The most important thing about this classroom is the TeachNext system. This is our This is our smart class governed by the TeachNext. Teacher will display all the important things through this. We have again the same camera and the speakers over here also to monitor all the activities going on in this classrooms. Now we are moving in the class 5th. This is class 5th. And the area of all the classrooms that I told you that more than 500 square feet. We have proper ventilation and proper sunlight. Two windows are there, two fans are there, teacher table is there, one cupboard for the teachers. They will keep notebooks, assignment books and all in this cupboard. Speaker is also here and camera is again present in the classroom. Now we are in a computer and the area of our computer lab is more than 600 square feet. We have full flash 20 computer cells for the students, for the use of the students. All computers are properly working. We have given the Wi-Fi connections to the students. computer system. There is printers, scanner, everything which is necessary for the students we have given them. Now we are moving to our next class, and this is class 6th. This is our class 6th. And the area of this class is again more than 500 square feet. This is green board for the use of the teachers. Teacher table, sitting arrangement for the students. We have put the dustbins over here. In every classroom, we have put the dustbin. This cupboard is present. There is one speaker is present. Camera is present in every classroom. And all the cameras are monitored by myself from the principal office. Now, this is our class 7th. We are moving to the senior classes, and this class is again our classroom equipped with the TeachNext processor and all. We display every subject to the students. This will help to the students to understand the chapter and the topic clearly. With this, we have green board, speaker, teacher's table, sitting arrangement, camera is there again, proper ventilation, proper sunlight for the students. This is our class 8th, and the class is well equipped with the furniture. Green board is there, teacher table, sitting arrangement for the students, and we have given them 2 fans, 2 windows for the proper ventilation and sunlight. One camera is present over here, one speaker is there. Due to COVID-19 situation, this hall is empty. Elsewhere, all the students are present over here and they are taking knowledge and classes regularly. Now, we will moving towards the girls' toilet. With the entering, we have taps on the both sides, drinking taps for the girls. 1 to 5, one left side and one 6 to 10 on the right side. Then we move to the interior of the washrooms. We have 3 points for the girls' hand wash. We have given the proper 4 washrooms for the girls. Dustbin is there in the washroom. They will use each and everything, and we will specially give proper for their health and sanitation. This is our class 9. And students are physically present in these classes because only senior classes are allowed to take classes. This is their whiteboard, sitting arrangement, proper ventilation is there. This is class 10. This is for the students of class 10. These classes. The area of this class is again similarly more than 500 square feet. Due to COVID-19, room is vacant, empty. To our proposed classrooms. We have 4 proposed classrooms. This one is called first proposed classroom. I'm going to show you the 3 more proposed classrooms which is present in the ground floor of the school building.
तुम आगे रहो और ये आगे मिलना नहीं.
This is our second proposed classroom. The area of the classroom is more than 500 square feet. All the necessary things are present over here. Now we are moving to the next 2 more proposed classes of our school. As you can see, in the verandas we have the notice boards, and in all the notice board we have displayed about the COVID-19 precautions and measures. Now, this is our third proposed class. This class is very good with the board and sitting arrangement, teacher's table, cupboard, camera we have here, speaker and everything is present over here. Proper sunlight, we are given 2 windows, 2 gates are there, one is for entrance and another is for exit. Of our school. The classroom is fully equipped with the furniture, teacher table, green board is there present, one speaker is present, camera is here installed. Now we are moving towards the top floor of our school. Moving to the top of our school building. This gate is for the security of the students. The most important thing related to this Tilakdhari Memorial School is that our school is running with the help of solar energy. We are using all the panels in the solar energy for our running our classes. These are the solar panels. We are saving our electricity as well as we are using this solar energy for our functioning of running of our school.
चलिए वो तो होता है. इसमें आ भी लगी नहीं था. कोई हम लोग नहीं. और आगे उठा ले.